Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I'm going to look at the Minisforum MS-R1. This is pretty much a Linux box. It is the world's first ARM-based mini workstation with UEFI. And this is new territory for me. I have been installing Linux since the old days when it was in boxes inside stores like MediaPlay, Circuit City, CompUSA, you name it. But I haven't actually ever used it as a daily driver. So this will be interesting. So let's unbox the MS-R1 and I'll go over the ports. Minisforum's doing a really good job at boxing things lately. There we go. And this should be very similar to the MSA1, MSA2, MS-R1. Ooh, how's that new electronic smell? I love that. And yes, it is like the others. Which isn't a bad thing, because I already know how to do stuff with it. And of course we have, oh, there's some heat sinks. Screws. I did not expect that. Oh, okay, yeah. It's just the different M.2 add-on cards. Oh, this actually comes with everything. Cool. I think this is what, the U.2 thing? Yes, U.2. So it comes with the U.2 adapter. I'm very familiar with this unit. Oh yeah, and it also comes with an HDMI cable, power cable, and of course power brick. And I think this probably just goes in the U.2 slot to make it a regular SSD slot. Yeah, it says SSD right there. But I haven't opened it up, so I don't know what I'm getting into. There's the PCIe slot. And oh yeah, there's a Wi-Fi card on the back. Interesting. Okay, anyway, I put it upside down, I took this back plate off, and here is the M.2 slot. And I don't know anything about this one, but I think that goes in the Wi-Fi slot and becomes another SSD, or you can put that U.2 in there. But don't quote me on that. But yeah, this definitely has like a Wi-Fi card. So all right, let's I think I'll just throw this 1 terabyte Crucial in there. provided us with a heat sink and a thermal pad. My favorite part, as always. Okay, hopefully I can get that top plastic off. I was hoping it would have more SSD slots like its older brothers. Oh well, it really only needs one anyway. Oop. It's stretched. These things are a pain. Oh, take a little, cut a little of that off. It's a little big. There we go. Oops. Yeah, make sure you have it where you want it when you stick it down. Because some of those thermal pads are sticky. I should have did a little more research on this particular unit. I thought I was just going to open it up like the MSA2 and all that and just know where everything was. But nope. Perfection. That's weird. The fan actually doesn't fit with the heatsink they provided. So I would say that heatsink's for the other one if you use the optional adapter. I have so many thermal pads it doesn't matter anyway. Okay. Okay, yeah. Lines up perfect now. But yeah, gets plenty of air from the fan and everything. So I'm sure that's what it was it's for the other card, or adapter, I mean. Yep, nothing blocking, good. Okay, so let's go over the ports real quick. Now that we've got the, oops, I forgot I had it upside down. Anyway, has a power button, of course, headphone jack, USB 3.2, and two USB 2. On the back, I have two USB 2.0, two 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, two USB Type-C ports, HDMI, two USB 3.2, and the DC in jack. That's all there is to it. Okay, you can run Linux, virtual machines, containers, including Android containers on it. There is a Debian image on Minisforum's website, I believe, so I may try that first, but I believe it also works with Ubuntu, so we'll see. Maybe I'll go with Ubuntu, I don't know. I'm going to take this over to the test desk and we will try a distro out. Okay, I just put the Debian image from Minisforum's site onto my thumb drive, and it looks like something's working. Okay, so here is what comes up when I press delete a bunch. It's the BIOS, as it has the usual stuff. The BIOS is a beta. "64 gigs of RAM. There's the PCIe information. Let's see, boot manager. I think this is the one we want. Okay, it loaded to desktop. 4K. Wi-Fi. Ethernet's connected at 10,000 megabits per second. Bluetooth. That's cool. Lots of settings. There's kind of an app store. I have never used Debian before. 1 terabyte disk. Files. Huh. Let me do a restart. And try this one. Well, apparently that wasn't anything. Try this option. It's probably the same thing. Isn't there like an installation thing somewhere? Okay, so I've been trying to figure out how to install this Debian image to the SSD, but I read on GitHub Jeff Geerling could not get it to install with Minisforum's image, so he had luck with Ubuntu, and I guess I will try that next. Okay, let's start it. I just imaged Ubuntu on there, the latest Arm version. Let's try or install. What does ARM stand for anyway? Awesome Radical Machines? I don't know. Yay! Yeah, let's just install it. Yeah, let's go automated. Never mind. Fix 64 MS-R1. Okay. Very weak password. I don't care because this is just a test. It looks good. Oh yeah, I bet this was out of another machine, the SSD. I hope I didn't just mess up. I didn't even know Linux could see that it had BitLocker on. But yeah, I'm a noob at Linux. Even though I've installed really old ones in the early 2000s and everything, I've never really used it much. Looks like Linux has come a long way. This is cool. Uh-oh. Rain stopped spinning. Oh, there we go. We are in. Yay. Snappy. Okay, it looks like the Wi-Fi is working. Network connected at 10,000 megabits per second. Bluetooth working. Monitor set to 1080p mode because it's easier to show on the camera. It's like sound might be working. I hope. Yeah, there's the connected devices. Very cool. Of course, we don't have anything on here. But as you can see, 51 updates. I'll have to do that. App Center. Scrolling kind of sucks on this. I need some updates. 51, I mean, come on. Web browsers, cool. All right, this is as far as I wanted to get on this machine. I have a lot of other videos to do before my surgery, so I think we'll wrap it up about here. I couldn't get Debian to work. We'll see if Minisforum has a solution for that, but you will see this machine again. I just wanted to kind of get it somewhat set up. But it's cool it worked with Ubuntu. So Anyway, I'd like to thank all of my viewers and subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please click like and subscribe. And if you want to know when the next video is coming out, then please click the bell button. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.